All right, what's up, everyone? Your boy is back with another super exciting Roblox tutorial today, and trust me, you're not going to want to miss this one. We're diving deep into how you can get your hands on the Delta Executor for your Roblox games, whether you're playing on iOS or Android. First things first, we need to get our browser open. We're heading over to imodblocks.com. Make sure you type that in exactly as you see it on screen. It's the key to getting this whole thing working, so don't mess it up. All right. So once we're on the site, you'll see a bunch of awesome tools and scripts for Roblox. This place is packed with cool stuff, but for today, our main mission is the Delta Executor. Now here's where we need to connect our Roblox account. You'll need your Roblox user ID for this. Don't worry if you don't know it offhand. I'm going to show you exactly how to snag it. What you want to do is open up your Roblox app on your phone. See your username right there at the top of your profile? That's what we need. Mine is imodblocks.com, so I'll keep that in mind. Now that we have our username, let's head back to imodblocks. We're going to type that into the designated box, just like this. Once that's in, hit the Connect Account button. The site will do its thing. After that, you'll see a connected message, which is exactly what we want. Next up, we need to choose which scripts we want to load with our Delta Executor. You'll see a list of options available, and you can pick and choose based on what you want to do in your game. For this demo, I'm going to go with the overflow script. The final step on the website is usually a quick verification, sometimes a CAPTCHA, just to prove you're not a bot. Now for the moment of truth. Let's jump back into Roblox and open up a game to see our Delta Executor in action. I'm going to open up a random game here. Let it load up. During this time, it's a great moment to remind you all to hit that like button if you're finding this helpful, and subscribe if you haven't already. We've got tons more Roblox content coming your way. You might notice a slight delay as the Executor initializes, but it's totally worth it. And look at that, guys. On the right side of the screen, there it is. The Delta Executor menu has popped right up in-game. This means it's fully installed and ready to go. You can see all the different options right there. There in the menu, we've got the search bar to find specific scripts, a settings menu, and of course all the scripts we selected earlier. Let me just type in overflow to quickly bring up the script we chose. And there it is. All the powerful features are right at our fingertips. We can toggle things on and off, adjust settings, and really customize our gameplay experience. This is seriously next level, making your Roblox adventures even more epic. Let's check out some of these features. You can see options like Remove Fog, which is super useful in some games. Watch this, I'll toggle it on and boom, the fog is gone. It's incredible how smoothly it integrates. We've also got combat settings, item management, and so much more to explore. This Executor basically unlocks a whole new dimension of gameplay. It's all right there, perfectly integrated into the game. I'm just going to toggle a few things here and there, showing you how easy it is to use. You can literally just click and enable what you need, making your experience so much better. This really opens up so many possibilities in your favorite Roblox games. So, there you have it, the Delta Executor, fully installed and working like a charm on your mobile device. That's pretty much it for this tutorial, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how simple it is to get the Delta Executor up and running. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome Roblox content and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out!